Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 barely lasts 5 minutes, you're likely facing a battery issue. This problem can occur due to battery wear over time or a fault in the charging system. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, and your vacuum may become unusable. To resolve this, we need some basic tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new replacement battery for your Dyson V10. Begin by ensuring your device is turned off and unplugged. Start by carefully removing the dustbin. This will give you better access to the main body. Next, locate the screws that hold the casing in place. There are typically 2 Phillips screws located on the back of the unit. Unscrew them gently, taking care not to strip the screws. Once the screws are removed, use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the casing. Be cautious not to damage any clips as you do this. Inside, you should see the battery secured in place by another set of screws. These are usually Phillips screws as well. Unscrew these and disconnect the battery from its connectors. Make a note of how the battery is connected, as you'll need to replicate this when installing your new one. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and connect it in the same manner as the old one was attached. Ensure the connectors are secure and then fasten it in place with the screws you previously removed. Carefully reassemble the casing by aligning it correctly and pushing it back together until you hear a click. Replace the screws on the back to secure the casing once more. Finally, reattach the dustbin, and give your Dyson a test run to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If it lasts longer than before, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you charge your Dyson V10 fully after each use and avoid letting it drain completely too often. Regular maintenance such as cleaning filters can also prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.